Why do Geelong's businesses trust us for their cleaning needs? Our local police-cleared cleaners ensure reliability and safety. With competitive prices and comprehensive services, we cater to Geelong's diverse business landscape. Contact us at 1300 7 99 284. Our ISO certified quality and safety standards set us apart. We employ effective quality control measures to guarantee top-notch service. Our eco-friendly practices ensure a safe environment for your business.
Discover how our quality control measures maintain excellence. Regular audits and client feedback drive our continuous improvement. We prioritize occupational health and safety, ensuring peace of mind for your staff and visitors.
We customize cleaning plans to meet your specific needs. We deliver the services for general offices to medical facilities, childcare centres, schools, and many more. Our specialised commercial cleaning services include rug cleaning, couch cleaning, carpet cleaning, end-of-lease cleaning, floor scrubbing, and various others. Our feedback-driven approach ensures ongoing service enhancement.
Explore our tailored solutions for every business type. Our local cleaners are trained to handle industry-specific requirements, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning. Contact us for a personalised quote today.
Hear from our happy clients in Geelong who appreciate our reliable and efficient services. Our commitment to quality and safety has earned their trust. Join the many satisfied clients who have chosen Brilliant Office Cleaning. By partnering with us, you'll enjoy a spotless environment and peace of mind. Contact us today to start your journey to a cleaner workspace. Call us at 1300 7 99 284 or send us an email on info@brilliantofficecleaning.com.au. Alternatively, please visit our website at www.brilliantofficecleaning.com.au for a free quote.